Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can add a prefix and a note to the dimension. As you can see that I have modeled this part, and I have also created a 2D drawing, and here we will learn some of the tools in a detailing like adding prefix and note. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So if we look this drawing, we can clearly see that this 60 is a diameter, but when I delete this dimension and on my frame, and if I select this chord point and give the horizontal dimension, so you can see that this is the 60, but this is the diameter. So we can add the prefix. To add the prefix, select the dimensions and go to the prefix option. So here is a prefix, add a diameter prefix. So you can see that diameter is added, and let's assume that this 60 diameter is not a diameter, it is a square. So how we can add a square prefix? So to remove this diameter, once you are inserted, select the dimensions and go to its property, and here you will see the format specification. So to remove this diameter, just press delete, and now let's assume it is a square. So we will go here and insert the square prefix. Similarly, here is the option of remove as well. You can remove it from here or from here. So let's remove this prefix. So you can see that square is removed, and now we will insert the diameter. So this is how we can add a prefix to our dimension. This 60 is also diameter, so we will select it and insert the prefix. And the next thing is that how we can add a note to the dimension. For example, if you zoom our drawing and off this frame, so you can see that pitch between this hole to this hole is 82. So if I on my frame here, so you can see that I have given the equal symbol, because this is the symmetric from the center. So if I select this center point and this center point, vertical line, and provide the horizontal dimension, this is the 41. So that's why I have given this equal symbol. So to add a note to the dimension, all you have to do is select the dimension and go here, format specification. So you can see that here equal percentage 2W, and here I have given the equal symbol. Now let's remove this symbol, and I wanted to add some note. For example, I wanted to mention it as a pitch, so I will write my note here. So you can see that a note has been added, means 82 is a pitch. Similarly, we can add our special note to any of the dimension. For example, if I consider this 30 mm dimension. This is the 30 mm, and here I wanted to make some note to here. For example, this dimension is critical for me, so I can add some note to here. Must maintain. So that is just for example. So you can or simply I can mention the critical word here, so that operators on a shop floor must achieve this dimension. So I have mentioned is a critical because 30 as a height is a very important for me, and here is a 50 mm diameter, and here I can also specify some notes. So this is the very small tutorial how to add a prefix and a note to the dimension of a FreeCAD drawing. Now I will off my frame. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.